My name's Corey Colcord. I'm with HK Laser and Systems. Welcome to SIMTOS 2026. Here we have the Alpha FC 3015. This machine has Siemens drives and controls, power ranging from 6,000 watts all the way to 20,000 watts, laser mech cutting head, Rachis resonator, hydraulic shuttle table, available in various table sizes. Now, let's move on to the ultimate game changer for your production line. Unlike standard setups, this is a fully unattended system. Supports raw material loading up to 8 millimeters thickness via loader gripper. It handles the entire workflow from loading heavy raw materials to vision-guided sorting of finished parts and even scrap disposal. Everything is driven by our advanced intelligent control system, ensuring absolute precision and zero bottlenecks. Built for non-stop, around-the-clock performance, drastically reduced manual labor, and a massive boost in your daily throughput. This isn't just a machine upgrade, it's the future of manufacturing, right here at HK. Next up, we have the ultimate bending automation solution, the PRCE 2040 press brake combined with the Yaskawa robot cell. The 50 kilogram payload robot on a 4-meter track perfectly synchronizes with the machine. This machine delivers 40 tons of bending force over a 2,100 millimeter length. Driven by a servo-electric system, it dramatically reduces noise and saves energy while offering ultra-fast cycle times. Managed completely by the Delum Touch controller, this robotic cell guarantees higher productivity, perfect angles every time, and a much safer work environment. The new 2,000 watt air-cooled laser welder. With this 3-in-1 gun, it offers welding, cutting, and cleaning. Because of its 2,000 watt power, it significantly reduces maintenance cost. Its ergonomical design of the welding gun gives the user a comfortable fit for any hand. HK's newest high-powered laser, the FO Gantry Series, powers ranging from 12,000 watts all the way to 40,000 watts. Standard table size is 11.5 feet by 40 feet, but because of its modular design, it can be extended up to 80 feet. HK offers the standard Bosey cutting head, but a 3D bevel head can also be an option, giving you more versatility for bevel cutting. One of HK's newest designs is the 5X10 12 kilowatts with a Bosey cutting head. This mighty machine has the smallest footprint in the HK product catalog for a standard 5X10 machine. This machine offers a Bosey cutting head, Rachis resonator, and FS cut controls. HK's flagship machine, the Falcon FS 3015 Press-A-Tech cutting head, Rachis source, available in power ranges from 6,000 watts all the way to 20,000 watts. Hydraulic shuttle table, making this an automation-friendly machine. The Parallel Smart Cell, optimized for high-speed cycle times and rapid material processing with the ability to lift up to 3/4 inch steel. Comes with a raw material card, a finished product card, easy load unload system. The HK gas mixer. Increase the energy that can be used in cutting by adding a small amount of oxygen. When using mixed gas, the cutting transfer speed is up to 10 to 20% faster than a standard cut. It increases the cutting speed and reduces the burr. HD 3015, one of HK's hottest selling machines. The Omega HD comes in various table sizes and offers power ranges from 6,000 watt all the way up to 20,000 watt. The machine offers a Bosey cutting head, Rachis resonator, and FS cut controls. That concludes our SIMTOS 2016 tour. We are taking a massive leap from laser machines to complete intelligent factory solutions. Thank you for watching.